Hello, uh, welcome back to this video series in Python. Okay, in this video, I shall teach you how to store the names of students in a list. Okay, so we shall store the user will enter the name of the student and it will be automatically stored in a list in Python, and finally we shall print the names of all the students entered. Okay, so uh, you will learn a way to store the data using Python. Okay, or store the student records, or it can also be extended to other the records of employees in a company, or the records of patients in a hospital. Okay, so first of all, we shall define an empty list. Okay, we call this list names. Okay, okay, names of names, or we call it student names. Okay, student underscore names. Okay, there is some problem. Students. Okay, this is an empty list. So first of all, we shall define a for loop. Okay, so let us say we want in our class we have 10 students. Okay, so the loop will go from 0 to 9 for I in range 10. Okay, so we shall we shall take the name of the student as a user input. Okay, so student equal to input. We have learned in the previous videos that how we can take the input from the user in Python. Okay, name of student comma I. Okay, so I plus 1. Okay, so the I plus 1 will range from 1 to 10. Okay, so it will be printed on the screen the name of student 1, then user will enter the name and that name will be stored in the variable student. Okay, now we want to save the name of this student into this list named as students. Okay, so we shall use the append function. So students dot append. Okay, so append is a built-in function in Python that adds the variable or anything or attaches the variable in front of the list. Okay, so the name of first student will be attached in front of this list students. Okay, so students dot append student. Okay, and then we shall go out of this loop and then print the array, print the list of students. Okay, so let me explain again how this is working. For I in range 10, so I will go from 0 to 9. Okay, and this I plus 1 will range from 1 to 10. Okay, so the name of first student will be entered by the user and it will be stored in the variable named student. So this name will be appended to the list students. Okay, then again the loop will, I will increment to 1, I plus 1 will increment to 2. Okay, so name of student 2 will be printed on the screen, and it will be the name of second student will be stored in the variable student, and that name will be appended in front of the list students. Okay, uh, in front of the list students. So let us run this program. Okay, okay, so we have to remove this comma. Okay, now it will work. I think now it will work. Name of student plus we plus string. Okay, plus is used for concatenating the strings, so we will convert these two strings into one string, because input function or input command takes only one argument. Okay, so we will convert these two arguments into, or two strings into one string. For that we shall use the plus operator. Okay, so plus operator will add these two strings. Okay, so we run the program again. Name of student 1, so I will enter Ali. Name of student 2, you can see in the terminal below. Okay, in the window below. Okay, I zoom it, or I give it extra space some, so here you can see the name of students 2. Okay, another thing we can add here, we can add space as well. So okay, so after the name of the student we have two spaces. Okay, so we run the command again. So it is saying the name of student 3, because it already stored the variables, because it already stored uh, the value of the I in its memory. So we have to close this and open this again. So open with code, we close the program and run it again, so that all the previous variable values are cleared. So we run the program again. So here you will see the name of the student 1. Okay, okay, we run the program. Okay, the name of student 1, so I will enter, so again I will enter Ali. Name of student 2, I will enter Ubaid. Name of student 3, I will enter John. Name of student 4, I will enter Amar. I will enter Amar. Okay, the name of student 5, you can see here in the terminal. Okay, name of student 5 Asan. Name of student 6 Amna. Name of student 7, Aisha. Name of student 8, name of student 8, Farhan. Name of student 9, Ahmad. And name, finally the name of student 10 is Ahmad. Okay, we press enter. So all the names of the students are stored in the list. Okay, you can see this list below: Ali, Ubaid, John, Ammar, Ahsan, Amna, Aisha, Farhan, Ahmad, Ahmad. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Okay, thank